So here's the bunch of balloons, self-sealing party balloon air pump. This is electric, and this is ideal if you have children or if you just like to want to try to create balloons, to have the balloons yourself. So this pump includes this set of the pump includes everything that you need to be able to have a bunch of balloons for a party. So all you need to do is get the different kinds of color balloons that you wanna have, and here's the pump showing you the back and the sides. And so first is you would have to attach the balloons. So you get a different kinds of different colors of balloons, and there's an attachment there at the end. So here's I have a set of yellow balloons which I will be doing first. So when you buy the pump, it comes with just I think one color, which is this yellow one, and then you have to buy the rest of them. So it's gonna give you a quick instruction on how to attach that's the attachment I'm talking about. So on the bunch of balloons pump, it comes with different attachments. So you could do like a set of 6 balloons or 12 or more. So here's the attachment over there, if you see that. So this one is a set of 6 balloons, I think, or 8. I've had this recorded for a while, so you just attach it like that, make sure it snugs in, and then all you need to do is click the on button. So warning though, it's gonna be loud, like really loud, so here I will try the black balloons, and you've heard that's how loud it is. It's louder in person. So that's the only thing with this pump, because it does do it, it does blow the balloon, those, set of balloons. So that's how loud it is. But I stopped right where it was big enough. Like I thought it was gonna blow up, but um, that's how. set of balloons I bought. So we have the red, I have yellow and blue, more, three more colors. I actually bought we have blue, red, and yellow more. Blue, red, and yellow balloons. So it does, you can make it as big as you want, but you want to make sure that it doesn't blow up. But this is how big went. I went to look at the colors. So I have white, red, blue, gold, and black. So it actually does it for 40 seconds each set. So it's not bad, and it's just that loud sound, but you can save a lot if you use this pump. So here's the set of balloons I've made so far. I made the video a little bit faster so you can see, but see, it's fun for kids if you have, or a kid. You can make it. So I recommend it. It's awesome. You can fill your living room with this if you get all the colors, and it is recommended for children, and it is awesome, and you should get it. And here's the rest that I made. You can try it for yourself. I still have the machine. It's still good. It's still working. It lasts. I've had more than 20 sets, and it's still working well.